Hey everybody, I'm Shane Mason. This is my brother Wade Mason, and we're out here on Petite Bois Island fixing to do a little wade fishing. So y'all come out with us to the island. Let's go get some speckled trout and redfish. All right. What I'm using this morning is a Spook Junior topwater edition, saltwater edition, and I'm throwing it out there, walking the dog back. The wind's blowing hard this morning, so we're on the back side of the island. Made us get out here a little bit late.
Hey, I need a string or a bass or something.
Wade's got a popping cork with a DOA shrimp underneath it. That popping cork is supposed to attract the fish, like they hear something striking, and then they'll come look and see that DOA shrimp. Got them chasing it. Look at it. Look at them. They ain't gonna hit it though.
Whoa, there's a stingray or there's a flounder.
Probably a stingray.
Yeah, looks like a stingray. It's got a long tail.
Yeah, flounders, they'll come up shallow, but once the sun comes up, they usually head off.
What about that stingray? What do they do with it?
They don't care. They got a big stinger on the back of them.
They ain't gonna attack them, huh?
If you step on them, they will. He just broke me off. Good night. What is that? Good night. What is that? It's a shark. He's coming right at me. He still had my spook in his mouth. That joker was this long.
No.
He was huge. See something over here running some bait fish. Right in the surf. Might be my problem. I might be fishing too far out. Seen something flash. It's probably a ladyfish. About my luck, be a big school of ladyfish out here. Got something now. That was a ladyfish. But way out there. Let it sink. Oh, something hit a fin. Man, I need to get a good fish. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ah. Another ladyfish. Man, we are ladyfish rich today. Ladyfish rich. We got the ladies. I have this DOA shrimp under a popping cork. We're walking back to the boat right now, fixing to go catch some shark. I'm just gonna throw it out there as far as I can. Give it a couple of pops and then let it just drift back there as I walk back to the boat. Boy, I sure thought we was gonna catch some speckled trout this morning, but we hadn't caught nothing. But when all else fails, go shark fishing. Come on, hit it. Come on, ladyfish. Oh, got him. Come on, come on. Get in here. What we got? Is that a hardtail? I think so. Look at that, caught on a top water spook. That's gonna be what we need. See if I can't get a couple more of those. What you got? You better get him in before that dolphin gets him.
That would be a fight there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would. All right, get him up, throw him up here. Yeah.
Whoop.
Oh, get him in the boat. Heck yeah.
What is that?
Hardtail. Fish bait. Catch about 4 or 5 more of these and we'll go shark fishing. Well guys, me and Wade had a hard time wade fishing this morning and we didn't have much luck. Caught a few ladyfish. Wade got on a sabiki rig and started catching hardtails. So we have 1 ladyfish, 3 hardtails, and we run over here in between Petite Bois and Sand Island in the ship channel, and we're gonna redeem this morning with some sharks. So, Wade, have you ever caught any sharks?
Not a one.
Not a one. How big of a shark you want to catch?
Not too big.
Not too big.
No.
Good though. Good eating ones are smaller. We're fixing to get set up. I got a couple of metal leaders and we're gonna chop those hardtails up, chum them with the ladyfish, and we're about to catch us some shark. I cut the head off of this hardtail. I'm just gonna hook him right through the nose here. If I can. There we go. I'm just gonna throw him out back and let it drift. It's just free lining. I don't have a sinker on it or anything.
What might eat it besides the shark?
Anything hit that thing. I mean, we're right here on the ship channel. It's 50 foot deep, just right out there, and we're in 18 foot of water, 12 foot of water, and so we throwing all that chum out there, the blood, and anything could come off of that drop off and come up there and find it to eat it. A snapper, anything. I heard rumor that somebody caught some kind of swordfish or something, like right out in here in this channel. I don't know how true it is, but it's what I was told. So it's truly no telling what we might catch. That's a good thing about saltwater fishing. You just throw it out there and kind of wonder what you're gonna catch. It could be anything. All of our lines and everything are going to the front of the boat. What we got going on is the wind's blowing the boat this way, but the current's pulling us in, pulling the lines and the bait that way. So we'll manage. Now all I'm doing is I'm cutting this ladyfish up and throwing meat out there. You need some bait?
Yeah.
Here you go. Yeah, when a shark does hit it, you will definitely know. That thing will start screaming.
Up here?
Yeah, hold on.
This one?
Yeah, yeah.
You think he's still on there?
Now don't jerk. You wait on him to pull it. Oh, is that the bobber?
I guess so.
Yeah.
That was a shark there.
That was a shark. Cut her line.
You have any other lines out?
Yeah, the current's got them pulling that way.
Yeah.
So if you can come around this way, it'd be great.
What fish do you have on board?
We have no fish. We caught one ladyfish wading, and now we're trying to catch a shark to redeem the day.
All right. I saw over. I'm feeling people over here like catching sharks and redfish in this area.
Yeah, we're trying to catch something.
All right, well, good. Well, y'all have a good day, man.
All right,
My
appreciate
son told
it.
me don't come back without a shark tooth.
Checking fish.
He's got to make sure you got fish before we can check license.
We're sitting here fishing. We got poles in the water.
Well, yeah, I guess so.
I wonder if he's gonna run him down.
Well, you not ready, Hal?
I reckon.
I reckon so too.